Wow, look at so many cars. Salai, could you count the cars?
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10.
Yay! Can you see all the colors, please? What color is this?
Gray,
This one is,
dark blue,
and this one is,
red,
this one is,
white,
this one is,
blue,
and this one is,
yellow,
this one is,
purple,
this shirt is,
pink,
this color is,
black,
this is,
red,
like this one is,
red,
this one is,
brown,
this one is,
blue,
and this one is.
red,
Good job! And this one is.
red,
Yay! And this one is.
black.
Good job!
Ready, go!
Oh, good job!
Wow, look at the spots. Wow.
Whoa, whoa.
Our next car.
God! Oh, gosh! Oh, there's a box in it. Huh.
Look at the spots. Wow, look at the spots. Which is the next car coming?
Red.
Where's car?
Hmm.
Bigger one.
Oh.
A cat.
Look at the tire marks. Which car is coming next? Is a food van.
Yeah.
Spider-Man car.
Wow, look at the tire mark. Look at the tire mark of the spider car.
Timer.
Ready?
Ready, ready, go! It's like over here on its knees.
Yeah.
Oh! This and that is like that.
The Swatch dark blue car. The Swatch truck. Oh, this is the biggest. Wow. Good job. Can you tell the size of cars?